Hello students, welcome to our video tutorials on Engineering Graphics 2 subject, unit number 5. We are at conversion of views, ortho to iso, 2-dimensional to 3-dimensional. As I said, I explained clearly, ortho is nothing but 2-dimensional, iso is nothing but 3-dimensional. 2-dimensionals, we have 3 types of views: front view, top view, side view. This side view, it may be left side view or right side view. See, now we are at going for exercise number 10, problem number 3. Think here, this is the problem question. This is also the question which we discussed earlier in conversion of 3D to 2D. To have more familiar with your knowledge of how to convert, I am using the same problems of previous. See, but here views are different. See, this is front view, you can understand, and this is usually previously 2 problems we discussed as top view, but it is not top view here. We have here right side. Right side to front view will be which view? Right side to front view will be left side view. Right? There is no top view here, front view and left side view. I hope you remember, in the first angle projection, front view comes above XY line, top view comes below XY line. Right? Now here, as I said, when you are looking from left side, right side view will be on the right side. When you are looking from the right side, here it will be. See, left side view will be on the right side view will be on the left side to the front view. I hope you remember all. Front view, top view, right? From the front view, see this is the same things. XY plane, HP, BP. Object is here. Front view, top view. From here we are looking towards this side, such that it becomes left side view, which will be projected on the right side. For front view, left side view will be projected on the right side of the front view. Right? When you are looking towards going this side and viewing from the right side, it will be projected on profile plane, one more here, that is of the on the left side. So finally, front view, top view, left side view will be on the right side view will be on the left side. That's what the concept. As per that, this is the front view and this is side view, which is nothing but right side. It is left side view. Front view, left side view. See, dimensions, what are the things which we are covering? Front view, it will cover length and height. Left side view, it will cover side view, it will cover breadth and height. So we are covering 3: length, breadth, 3 covered. So for here, front view, length is 80, height is 12, 3 is 36. Left side view, breadth and height. Height as it is 36, breadth it is 60. By using these dimensions, you are supposed to construct a box and try to input. It's something like steps. When you are looking from the left side, it is step by step. But when you are looking from the front, there is one more L shape. Same problem we have discussed in the conversions of 3D to 2D. But here, with respect to front view and side view, front view and left side view, right side there will be left side view. Right? With these 2 things, how you are going to draw the problem and answers. See, as usual, I am taking a point here for the reference. Right? Try to draw a small reference line. (30 right, 90, 30). Front view, length and height. Length should be here, right side, usually same in the box method again. ISO right, ISO left, ISO top. Here I am taking front view at the right side, ISO right side, because left side view is given here, so I will prefer it is left side view should be taken on the left side. Left side view should be taken on the left side, so I am preferring here front view, left side view. Top view we have to generate with the help of the given data. Now simple. First of all, front view, length and height. Length 80, height 36. See, I am generating here slight line, 80, height 36, from this point 36, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. It's on same line. The breadth it is 60. ISO right we have to finish, ISO left, ISO top. As usual, remember taking the help of compass. Same height. Height. Now next length. Next breadth. We got two intersection points of height 36. Try to draw them in light. Say ISO top view. Here it has to be done again with the help of compass. See, breadth already I have taken. So from here, don't worry, it may coincide, but no problem. Got new intersection. See, taking the help of compass will give you the exact and accurate lengths. ISO right, ISO top, ISO left. Right, front view I have to draw here. This is left side view. So preferably which view we have to start first? See, I would like to start any, because as I am observing from the front view, if it is left view, I can observe this as the steps 1, 2. But at the last I have one more clean wall, like, because this particular place and this particular place shows that they are at the back and rear side. So preferably I would like to start with left side view. So just making them thick to complete first steps. This is the thing which is at the last. Nothing but when you are looking from the front view, it is at this particular position. This one is at this particular position. So to start from this side, right, left towards the right side. So I am preferring to complete the left side part. This left side part shows that there are steps at the left extreme side view, and then these steps will be inside. So starting with this particular shape, this one step shape, the ISO left. So usually nothing but it's making thick lines. 60 width, total height 36. Now this step 20 down 12. See, 20 on the same line. Now down, what is this? From here you can see this is the dimension as 12. How to plot the 12? See, actually from here it should reach down 12. If you are not confirm of what the thing is happening, from here try to just keep a point at a distance of 20. See, I have just taken a point as 20 reference. Now keep the line scale straight to align with the top line end point to bottom reference point which I have taken from here 12. 3, 4, 10, 11, 12. Thick. Now again towards step means which is nothing but breadth. This should be parallel to this particular position. So if you are not confident of drawing from here, dragging a parallel line, no, height it is 12, means at 12 it has to start. So from this corner try to draw a 12. Now keep them both in line, it will give parallel, more accurate. So from here how to draw next step flat is of 20 length, coincide end point 10, 20. Now again 12 mm down. So if you are not confident of this, again here see this distance is approximately 40. At 20 distance keep a point. Now align these two lines. Oops, I have drawn 20 here, good. Now from here down I have to come to 12. Try to coincide with one line. Now one more 20. See, remaining this is 20 and this has to be drawn like this. Now if you are not confident enough, see 12 3 is a 36 we have taken. From here again 12 2 is 24 approximately. See, here we are supposed to use the drafter, but as we are not having drafter, we are taking just reference points. This is a one kind of different practice. Thick line. Try to draw light lines, box method and thick lines. See, if you observe steps 20, 20, 20, height 12, 12, 12. See, left side view up to this part we have finished, but whereas coming to this end part, actually this coincides. Now here what we are supposed to do is, you can easily analyze, this is the first step flat, second step, right? As you cannot see, you cannot see the depth but only length and height. Length 80 total and remaining this part. This part will be at this particular location. This part will be at this location. So how to draw them? Total length 80. Just drawing thick lines. Right side it is full height thick, right? So drawing full height thick. 20 towards inside. See, close for 20. There is a line there and here. Now from 20, if you observe, it is a straight line down passing through this up to this particular point, right? So here straight to what height it has to be drawn. See, height here it is 12. So if you are not confident enough, right, from here of 36, try to keep a point up to 12 height, 10, 11, 12 height point. Now here for reference you can see this. This has to be from this particular point to this particular point up to here. I am drawing just light line, not thick line. Now here, from here it has to come down thick of how much? 20. Now to make it very clear, from this particular point mark a 20 point. See, if it is a drafter, what I can do is simply without pointing this, align your horizontal square vertical, just cut it vertical up to this line, or align this line for your drafter long scale, draw it. Drafter comes into picture very clearly. Now as I have taken 2020 reference, draw a thick line here up to this point. See here, this is for this extra line. I hope you understand. This came first. Now here inside, step by step, how to construct. Now from here you can clearly observe that top view is not there, but when I try to analyze, if this is the step, here comes a rectangle box, here rectangle height, rectangle float, rectangle height. Now this step and this step together will come and meet here. That is nothing but you can observe this flat and this flat. So that is the place where you have to analyze a more. So just drawing thick lines to complete that. If you have the idea of this figure already by converting which you have drawn in the previous exercise, then it will be easy to just guess what is the boundary shape. Now here I have to draw what is the depth 20. See here at a length of 20, I'm going to keep a reference point. Drafters are not there, so taking the help of reference points. See 20 by 20, this particular line, drawing lightly, and here 20 by 20, I'm drawing lightly. So you got intersection point up to this particular point. Now you can draw thick line. See, it all depends upon how you use and analyze. Now inside I should get steps. See that steps parallelly, whatever the shapes you got here, this one, this one, this one, this one, try to construct here. That will give a good view. Box, see inside it's a box there, but boundary, no need box of here, but still let it be here. Think next step, this height should be here. Now this flat should be here. How I can proceed? See, from here vertically this height is 12. Now here I have to construct 12 down. Is there any reference? Try to think. See, as you cannot guess any reference here at this particular position to have vertical 12. There is no drafter. Try to take, just drag, maintain height 12, thick line. See, this 12 and this 12 should be in parallel, and it should be coincided, right? If not, if you want to take any horizontal, see this is the length, this is total, this length, you can calculate this length for your purpose. Total length is 80 minus 20 means it should be 60. This 60 should be drawn from this position horizontally. Depends upon your length, right? I'm trying to manage the parallel lines with the help of points. From here 60. Now from here, see, try to draw parallel lines. See how I am practicing the parallel lines here is, see, this scale blue line has a border and this line is coincident with the line previously which I have drawn. That's why I'm managing myself to take another point as reference to draw the lines. Now here 60. Starting from here, how to make sure that it is parallel to the previous length line is, see, when I keep this scale like this, you can see this reference line, it's almost in parallel to this blue color. Drafter plays a crucial role here, that you can understand. As you are not using drafter, you can manage that by the help. Now here end to end, see, it's not a tough job, just using the end to end. See, they will be parallel when you try to draw them. I am erasing the boundary line box which I have drawn lightly. See, here comes final three-dimensional view. As you can observe, length, breadth, height, step, height, step, height. This is the same figure which you have practiced from 3D to 2D. Thing is that it depends upon analysis of front view, top view, and already you should have some experience how to you have to convert this and how this outer look will be visible. No need to bother about the hidden lines, right? If I have to draw it compulsory, right, it's a box, there should be hidden line here, hidden. No need to, we are supposed to concentrate on boundaries. So that's why conversion of 2D to 3D, right, front view, top view, front view, side view to 3D is little bit simple for imagination of boundaries. You are supposed to have experience of the drawing this and how to show the three-dimensional object, how to guess. So finally finishing the dimensions. See, dimensions should be aligned. If I have to show the length, it should align to this line and one more line parallel to this line. If there is a drafter, it will be very easy, but still try to practice this without drafter. Of 80 of breadth, breadth of 60, height it should be aligned with the figure lines. Maximum of 22 half an hour, even for the examination point of view. 12 3 is 36 will be the total height. Now if you want to give the steps, these steps dimensions, you can give anyway. From here inside to inside it is 2 dimensions preferably. See how he is giving steps 2 dimensions. (20, 20). 12 height. See, this is the 12 height. Whatever the dimensions given, 80 I have covered, 60 I have covered, 3 12s, right? 36 if I have covered 12 12, remaining will be this 20 20 20 20 20. Now this length it's not given, so I have to show here inside. See guys, all it depends upon your analysis. See, I have not used any heavy instruments. With the help of the instruments which you had at home, protractor, compass, right, eraser, pencil, I have used and have drawn with my own hand. So time consumption will be less than half an hour to draw these kind of pictures. Front view, left side view. The important thing here in this, you are supposed to guess and analyze that this is the front view. Right side of the front view, it will be left side view. So from this, you have to choose in the what you call cube which you have drawn, iso right, iso left, iso top. Front view should be right side, right? Iso left side view, it will be iso left. So that left side view will be, you will start with here, front view. This part will be analysis part. Hope you all understand. We'll practice couple of problems. Try to practice this. This is the answer figure, this is the question figure. You can draw both in your notebooks. This one and this one. This one simple, this one how to. Try to use instruments, practice the same things which I have done, like protractor, compass, scale, the 2 parallel lines with reference points. Right? Cool. We'll practice a couple of problems in next video tutorials. Thank you.